Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this chocolate chin chin. Here I will be using flour, all-purpose flour, and I also have some sugar because I'm using very dark chocolate. Here is 100% cocoa, natural unsweetened dark chocolate, so I'll be using like a lot of sugar. But if you are making use of Milo, reduce the sugar amount you are using for this recipe. So I'll be adding the unsweetened cocoa or dark chocolate. I will add in some margarine or butter, and I'll be putting the measurements of all the ingredients in the description below. Please feel free to check it out. And I will mix everything together, combine till it is smooth or till it becomes like a breadcrumbs, just like so. Once you are done, start adding the wet ingredients. I will be adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, 2 eggs. Mix as you are adding. Then I will add some milk. I will mix. Then I will add in the remaining milk. The quantity or the amount of milk will also be in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. I will combine everything together till it stops sticking on your palm. Then you know it is ready. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, leave your comments below. It's coming together, almost ready. You do not need to over knead this. Once it comes together and it stops sticking on your palms, then it is as good as ready. So now it is ready. I will allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I will sprinkle some flour on the surface. Then I will start kneading this. I will knead it till it becomes flat. Cut with your pizza slice, just like so. Then separate everything together and start frying. You are going to deep fry this, but make sure you are frying on a low heat so that it will be well cooked or well fried. So I'll be frying for at least 5 minutes while stirring it so that I make sure that it is well cooked, because this can be very tricky because with the color it's difficult to know when it is done. But when you fry it on a medium heat in 5 minutes, then it will be done perfectly well. So after 5 minutes, I'll be taking it out and allow the oil to drain. Then after that, I will spread it on my table to allow it to cool down before storing it. So I'll be frying the next batch till I'm done frying everything. And that's just it for today's video. Very easy to do, and it tasted so good, so yummy. Chocolate flavor came out very well. Please remember that if you're making use of Milo has a lot of sugar. Reduce the sugar you are adding. But if you're making use of unsweetened cocoa, 100% unsweetened natural cocoa, add more sugar so that it will not be bitter. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.